Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're in Dubai and want to make commuting even more convenient, you'll be happy to know you can now add your Nol Card to Apple Wallet. This means no more digging through your wallet or reloading at kiosks. Just tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to pay for metro, bus, and tram rides instantly. To get started, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS and that Apple Pay is set up with your Apple ID region set to the UAE. Then, open the Wallet app and tap the plus button to add a new card. From the list, select Transit Card, then choose Nol Card. Follow the on-screen instructions to either transfer an existing physical Nol Card or create a new digital one. If you're transferring, place your physical Nol Card near the top of your iPhone and wait for it to detect and import the balance. It might take a few moments to complete the process. Once added, you can top up your Nol balance directly in Apple Wallet using Apple Pay without needing any other apps. Just open your wallet, select your Nol Card, tap Add Money, and choose the amount you want to recharge. After setup, you can simply hold your iPhone or Apple Watch near the Metro or Busgate reader. No need to unlock your device. It'll automatically deduct the fare and show your balance instantly, and that's it. You've successfully added your Nol Card to Apple Wallet, making public transport in Dubai faster and easier than ever. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more useful tech guides, and share this video with anyone who uses public transport in Dubai.